Okay, so we having an issue with this Hansgrohe thermostatic shower here, which is exposed mounted on the wall. The thermostatic cartridge is on the right side, the control is on the left side. Now let's see what's going on. Now we are on the hot water all the way. Now we're going cold. There you go. This is fully cold. Once we start going hot, that's it. It's over. There you go. What identification I can see on this unit is only one, which is Croma PIX8535/IC. This is the part number for the shower head. However, we don't need this. We need I believe we need the cartridge here, the thermostatic cartridge. I will attach this on YouTube for your attention, so you can have a look. And this is the middle section, and this is the other, the shower head. Let's see if same here. Yeah, same here, as expected. Alright, now we are on position 0. So we have a button on this one. There is no button on the left side. Let me just give you some measurements as well. There you go. 270. I believe this one is around 150 spacing here. Yeah, and the hot is on the left as standard, cold on the right. This is how the unit looks. There you go. Okay, thank you very much.